Things cats hate. Loud noises. Cats hate loud noises. I don't know if you've noticed, but a cat's hearing is far superior to ours. They can hear way down low, and they can hear so much higher than us, and that's because they're both predator and prey, and their ears help keep them on their toes. So when it comes to fireworks, or some of my clients who send me this video saying, "Why is my cat so angry?" and the Real Housewives from Atlanta is blasting in the background. Don't forget your cats are sensitive. Keep them away from the really loud noises.